Ignite, right?
No? Siyempre, yung totoo, lahat naman ng girls gusto mag-PS, di ba? So, may stages yan eh. Kanya lang, may times na dumadating na meron kang nagiging parang template, parang itong tayo. Yung totoo, hindi ko na-imagine. Kasi nga, black and white person, di ba? Yung it's yes or no, black or white, parang the thought of it kasi na I'm going to wear something different from like this. And those chunky, bracelets and earrings, parang, not me. Pero alam mo, I had fun. Yun nga yung palagi sinasabi sa akin, Mary, try mo muna bago mo sabihin na hindi mo gusto. Or, kung suot mo na, doon mo lang makita, ay, ganda pala, no? Just like what happened today. And I'm very, very happy na naginawa ko. Sobra kong saya dun sa grupo natin. It's a collaboration with everybody, of course, di ba? Like this person who is wearing a hat now, na parang si Charlie Chaplin, na lahat ng ginagawa ko din. Pero naaliw ako, I never expected na mag-enjoy ako.
Too much fun.
Na,